Everyone, Mortgage Nerd here. It's Friday, August 14th, and it's been a crazy week for mortgages. Rates have gone all over the place. I haven't had time to give you a rate video, but the biggest thing that really gets us in this industry is what happened Wednesday night. The FHFA, Mark Calabria, I've talked about him before. There's a whole long 10-minute video about what the heck was this guy thinking about forbearances in the secondary market. That was months ago when COVID really started. So now what are they doing? They're saying any loan that comes through Fannie or Freddie, those are conventional loans, is now going to have a 0.5%, that's 50 basis points, 0.5% hit to the rate. It doesn't mean that if your rate is 3%, now it's going to be 3.5. It might be 3.1, 3.2. It's the pricing, it's the back end that they're charging. So if you had 3% with no points, now you're at 3% with 0.5 point. And why are they doing this? Because they're like, hey, mortgage companies are making a lot of money. We want some of this money too. They get about 0.5% anyway for doing nothing. Yeah, they regulate Fannie and Freddie. But in reality, what's going to happen? Lenders have their profit margins. Private companies need profit to employ, to stimulate the economy. It's part of what we do. This is not a communist regime. This is a capitalist society. The best economy that there is in the world, in my opinion. Yet now we have this regulating body charging 0.5% more on every single refinance only, not on purchases. The problem is they're not charging the mortgage companies. This is going to the consumers, to you. Your rates just went up because FHFA and Mark Calabria said so. It is absolutely ridiculous. It needs to change. It needs to stop. I mean, in a way, I'm seeing the silver lining. Refinances are going to slow down a little bit here, which means the loan volume is going to get back to normal and rates are going to continue to go down. And once they get low again, the volume's going to come right back in. I'm good for it. Purchases are coming in hot. But really, you guys need to get out there, talk to your congressmen and women, talk to your senators and say, this cannot be. Mark Calabria needs to get out. He was put in there by the Republicans who believe in the opposite of what this guy is doing. I said it months ago. I'm saying it again now. Mark Calabria needs to go out. FHFA, you guys are messing it all up. You're hurting consumers the same way that the Democrats hurt consumers with the Dodd-Frank Act. Yes, your closing costs got more expensive with the Dodd-Frank Act. Well, there were certain things that were very good about it, other things that were absolutely not. So I'm getting off my soapbox. Phil Stevenson, Mortgage Nerd, thanks.